is the most important thing in the world. In the famous Princess Bride movie says, I would remind you, brothers, of the gospel I preached to you. Right outside. The first thing we see in this passage, and I drew a little arrow. What we see in the New Testament is God's promises.